In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the atom bomb. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We are going to start by drawing like a kind of an egg shape. Like that, which will then come back. So it's wanting to go to a point, but we won't quite draw a point yet. Now we want a bit at the front like that. A curve and a curve around the middle as well like that. And we're going to put rivets in here because this is all kind of made of iron, steel, something like that, which has all been riveted together. And we also want to have these little things which hold it together as well. Keep on with the rivets. And then right about here we're going to go up and across and down, and then that would be there, down a bit and across like that. So these are these kind of great big fins at the back. That's a pretty scary thing, this, isn't it? This will come up here like that and down there like that, and then we'll have a curve around there, so that will come to there and that will come to there too. We're going to want this kind of pointy thing going on there, and then that is going to carry on around the back there. We'll want more rivets like that. We're going to want to see the inside here, so you can see a little bit like that. That's going to be the inside. And I'm going to make that sort of darker by putting these lines in there like that. And also that wants to be darker. We can have a bit of shade on that part there. And this is going to be coming down to there like that. So we'll see a bit of the floor as well. Now we'll kind of put some rivets in there. And some rivets in across there, which means that you'll also see rivets in along there. And to give it a bit of shape and curve, I'm going to put in this shading. So it starts off with just a dot, and then these lines get a bit wider and they're slightly curved, these lines, and we'll take them around like this, around there and down to the bottom where they fade out into dots again. And again here I think we can add in some shading like that, and then we'll maybe have some bit of shading like that just to give it some sort of texture, and I think maybe some thickness there as well. I think I can maybe add a bit of thickness to that and that one there as well. And there you are, how to draw the atom bomb. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time.